All right, so let's try number 10. So this one we have in this problem a function that is a product of two polynomials, in fact a trinomial times a binomial, and they're asking us to find the derivative. So this is again one of those problems where we need to do some setup before we can actually take the derivative. We actually have to simplify this expression to be able to find the derivative. Actually, later on, there's an actual rule called the product rule, where we will need to do what we're gonna have to do now. And then at the end, we're gonna find f prime of 3. So first, let's go ahead and simplify this function. So in this case, we're not doing any derivative yet. We're just doing some algebra. So let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna go ahead and use distribution to multiply those two. So that will be 6t to the fourth plus 6t squared. And then we're going to do the same thing now with the 4t. So we're going to multiply that here and there. So that'll be plus 4 times 6 is 24. T times t squared is 2 to the third. Plus 4t times 6, that's 24t. And then lastly, we're going to do 2 times 6t squared and 2 times that. So that would be 2 times 6t squared, that's 12t squared. And then 2 times 6 is 12. Alright, so we have used the distribution property to expand this. Now it's worth noting that we will need to here to do just some simplification, but we can do that by combining like terms. So combine these two together. Combine like terms. So what else is so the 24t is there, and then the 12. Right, so this is the original function, right? It's just a simplified version of it. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the actual derivative of this. So using power rule, we have 6 times 4t to the third, right? Subtract 1 to that one. Plus 24 times, and then power rule for t cubed, so that'll be 3 times t to the second. Plus 18 times, now the power rule for this, which would be 2t to the 1. And then the derivative, so 24 times the derivative of t is 1. In this case, we're doing the derivative in respect to t. And then the last one is 0, right? Plus 0. The derivative of a constant is 0. So there you go. We found the derivative. Now let's go ahead and simplify. So this is 24 t cubed plus 72 t squared plus 36t plus 24. And this is the derivative right there. There you go. Now let's go ahead and find the derivative at 3, right? So that means that we're finding the derivative when x equals 3. So pretty much all we gotta do is use direct substitution, replace every single t with 3. Let's go ahead and do that. So 3 for t, and we have 24 3 cubed plus 72 3 squared plus 36 times 3 plus 24. Now this can be typed into the calculator exactly as it is, and will give us 1,428. There you go. And we found f prime of 3. Alright, so I want to remind you that when you're dealing with f prime of 3, you first gotta find the actual derivative at t, and then you plug in your 3, right? So there's an action order. So first and then second, right? All right, so hope you guys found this